Wait, this is not body isolation every day. This is footwork every day. Cha-ching, no footwork, Marcus body coding live. Remember, you see, we do. No excuses. With the music or without the music. Are you ready? Watch first for yourself. Basic. Fine. Let's go. Again. From the side. Yes, this is the move. Remember, no excuses. Let's do it together. Ching, right next to the leg. You see the leg? Let's go to the leg and do it just next to it. Let's go. You see the leg? Yeah. See the grass? This is where we do it. Are you ready? Let's go. We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We go tap. We step to the back. And cross. Yeah. Now we do the air. Let's go. We step in the air. This is in the air. Not touching the floor. No. Up. Yeah. In the air. And we slide it back. Go on the right toes. Yeah. Now again with the right. We tap. We step to the back. And we cross. Yeah. Now we do the air. We step in the air. Slide it back in the air and go on the toes of the left. Let's go again with the left. Are you ready? Let's go. Tap, step to the back and cross. Step in the air and slide it, switching the weight. Let's go with the right. Tap, step to the back and cross. Step forward in the air. Yeah, slide it back, go on the toes. Now with the left. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Switching the weight to the left, of course. Now with the right. Tap, step to the back and cross. Step in the air. 5, 7. Yeah. Now fully with the count. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 5, 7. One more time with the count. Do it with me. No excuses. Tap. Step to the back. Cross. Step in the air and slide. Switching the weight. With the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Yeah. This is the move. This is the groove. Right by the leg. Yeah. But wait. You're still here. Let's do another practice. Right now, face to face, doing the basic 5. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's put the phone. Yeah, let's put the phone here. And let's do the practice together. Are you ready? Ching. Let's go. We start with the left again. We tap. Step to the back. And cross. Step in the air. Slide back. All the way from the left, going on the toes. Now with the right, tap, step to the back, cross, step in the air, slide back, weight on the right, tap with the left. Let's go with the left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Now let's watch it from the side. Let's go. Again, with the left. Let's go. Tap, step to the back and cross. Step in the air, slide to the back, change the weight and on the toes. Right, with the right. Let's go. Tap, step to the back and cross. Step, slide to the back, switch the weight. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Now, I will give you a tip about the air to make this illusion a little bit more visible. Try to stop on 5, meaning you do 1, 2, 3, and you do 5. Stay there a bit. Yeah, I know it's hard. Stay there a bit and then slide. Yeah, when you stay there, you lift there. Another tip, as you step in the air, you can go up on your toes at the same time. Look, bam. This looks like the air. You go, bam. Yeah. Try to do it with me. Again. 1, 2, 3, and stop on 5. 5, 7. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 5. Yeah. Make this illusion bigger, bigger, bigger. Yeah. This is the move. This is the groove. So if you want to practice this move with me, with the full tutorial, yes, make sure to check the link above, below, to the site, or wherever it be. But if you're on Instagram, check the link in my bio. Go to the YouTube channel and search for the full tutorial of Air Basic 5. That's the name of the move. Air, B for basic, 5. That's the name of the move. And let's meet in the studio for the full tutorial. But what do you care? You have this video, right? So you can practice with me. Just hit the replay button and practice with me here again and again and again. Because practice makes progress. And if you do it enough, it makes permanent. Yeah, it will stay with you forever. And one last thing, in this amazing day, I want to remind you, these are universal moves. Yes, Moku's body coding. We code universal moves so you can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Yes, salsa, bachata, kizomba, zumba, rumba, whatever style that you want. I'm serious. Yeah. And either way, do it today. Yes, do it today. Why today? You might be asking. Because tomorrow there's no footwork, of course. No footwork every day. August body coding line. So, let's see you tomorrow with the no footwork.